students. Today we start our poem number 7, The Duck and the Kangaroo. Now this one is the poem which is written by Edward Lear. Now this is a humorous poem of a kind known as nonsense verse by Edward Lear. ये एक ह्यूमरस पोएम है स्टूडेंट्स, जिसका जो काइंड है उसे नॉनसेंस वर्स के रूप में भी जाना जाता है, जो लिखा गया है एडवर्ड लायर के द्वारा. Now first I read this poem to you, then I explain you the summary of that poem. Said the duck to the kangaroo, "Good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you," said the duck to the kangaroo. "Please give me a ride on your back," said the duck to the kangaroo. "I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack the whole of the long day through, and we would go to the Dee and the Jelly Bogey, over the land and over the sea. Please take me a ride, oh do," said the duck to the kangaroo. Said the kangaroo to the duck, "This requires some little reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but one objection, which is, if you will let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold, and would probably give me the rheumatiz," said the kangaroo. Said the duck, "As I sat on the rocks, I have thought over that completely, and I bought 4 pairs of roasted socks, which fit my web feet neatly, and to keep out the cold I have brought a cloak. And every day a cigar I will smoke, all to flow my own dear true love of a kangaroo." Said the kangaroo, "I am ready, all in the moonlight pale, but to balance me well, dear duck, sit steady and quite at the end of my tail." So away they went with a hop and a bound, and they hopped the whole world 3 times round. And who so happy, oh who, as the duck and the kangaroo? Here students, this is a poem of a duck and kangaroo. एक duck और एक kangaroo की story है. Now once a duck was surprised to see how a kangaroo could hop. He said to the kangaroo, "You are great. You can hop across long distance over land and water. I live in this ugly pond. I am bored. I wish I too could hop like you." Then the duck requested the kangaroo to give him a ride on his back. The duck wished to travel all over the world. The kangaroo thought for a while. Then he said, "Your plan is good, but I have only one objection, that your feet are wet and cold. It might give me rheumatism." Now the duck said, "I have already thought of it. I have brought 4 pairs of woolen socks and a cloak. Besides, I shall smoke a cigar daily to keep me warm." Now the kangaroo then agreed to take the duck on a long journey. He told the duck to sit still at the end of his long tail. Now the kangaroo and duck went hopping and leaping. They went round the world 3 times. They were happy. So student, this one is a humorous poem. एक हास्यप्रद कविता है जिसमें डक और एक कैंगरू की कन्वर्सेशन बताई गई है by Edward Lear. So student, this one is the explanation of that poem, and in next video I explain you the stanza based questions.